Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSRcreations, back with another video. Today I'm doing a 10 by 20 inch canvas and I'm using Payne's Gray by Liquitex Basics as my background color. And I mixed this with a little of the Iridescent medium, also by Liquitex Basics. Gives it a nice shine. I like putting these in my paints. So, yeah. So I lost audio on this video while I was doing it, so I don't really know exactly what happened. So I'm doing a voiceover. And I'm using, this is Arteza. It's a blue iridescent. This is pebeo, very blue iridescent. This is Artist Loft Ultramarine. I got Candy Apple by DIY, and that's Artminds. And I have my golden Anthraquione paint. This is Liquitex Basis Light Aqua Green. And what else do I use? Oh, obviously I use my Deco Art Gold. So today I'm going to be doing a swipe, which I use the Amsterdam White Titanium White with floetrol, American floetrol only, no oils in any of my paints. And I have it mixed up in a big batch, and my ratio is 4 parts floetrol to 1 part paint. And when I mix it up, I just mix it up in little 30 ml cups and do it 4 to 1 that way. And I make like a big batch. All right, so I'm gonna get started here soon, and I'm using my spatula that I like to use for my swipes. Okay, so I'm probably just gonna go ahead and play some music from here on out. Enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. If you haven't checked it out yet, I have another channel that's a soap making channel, and it's really cool. If you like this type of art, you'll like the way you make soap, because it's very much like the way you would do a fluid art piece with mica powders and colorants, and then pouring the soap batter into a mold. So go check that out. It's The Art of Soap by Tina, if you're interested, okay? And so just have fun and watch my video. Thanks. Bye.